everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. I want to wish my beautiful mommy, Lady Okbaika, Mommy Okbaika. Happy birthday to you, my beautiful mommy. Mona, follow me, wish my mommy happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday, my beautiful mommy. The only woman where they talk truth for social media. The only woman where go see truth. You know they fear yash. You know they fear anything. You go talk am. Happy birthday to you, my beautiful mommy. I know we see her Mona. When I see her on Facebook, now I say, if I not wish my mommy happy birthday, waiting again. Oh, waiting again. Happy birthday to you today. Today na your birthday, oh. Today na your birthday, oh. Happy birthday, beautiful mommy. Happy birthday to you. I am so happy for you to this celebration. This your birthday today, today not gonna be the last birthday. And so you go dey celebrate and they go. Like a woman wey get swag. Like if I dey look you, I will laugh. I will say this woman too funny. When you go dey dance, I will say, hell, see a darling woman like this. See the way she dey sasegbe. See the way she dey dance, you know. I really too love you, really, mommy. You don't know say people love you. People love you, On the man say they don't they call for your platform, but they love you because you dey talk truth. And you dey make people laugh. You too dey funny. I don't know why people know they want to see that quality in you, you know. I don't know why people know they want to see person where they talk truth, like person where they read, they talk truth. I don't know why people know they like them. Mommy, we love you. Happy birthday to you. I really like. I fact I too love you. You too much. You too much. They looking funky. Like you too. I don't know how to describe you, mommy. You too get swag. You too get swag. Like seriously, there are some like this for this Facebook. When you go, they look themselves. They never ever reach your age, but they're don't old. See the way you dey young every day, mommy. I beg, you too much. I beg, not your mind. What people they talk, oh, you too much. As in, you too much. Happy birthday to you. I pray for God to bless you. Everything you do, they beg God ever since God will give you for this your birthday today. Happy birthday once again. I am so happy for you, mommy. We love you. So I say I can't wish you happy birthday. Bye, Bobby.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk